We've been talking about remote technologies a little bit, VPNs, dial-up, and so forth. I want to introduce you to two Microsoft technologies that are available to us and how we use them. One is remote desktop connection, and the other is Quick Assist, which used to be remote assistance. Remote desktop connection is used within a network for one person at one location to be able to work on a computer in another location. The most typical use for this would be for a network administrator to sit at his desk and to remote to a server in the server room without having to go back and forth into the server room. So that would be a very typical use of this. So let's take a look at that. Now I'm going to go to a computer. This computer is across the room from me, and I'm remoting to it through something called AnyDesk. And I'm going to have to break that connection in order for this to work. AnyDesk is an application that I use around my home to be able to get from one computer to another. So I'm going to go ahead and close that connection and break it right now. And now I'm going to go on this local computer that I'm on right here to remote desktop connection. I'll just type remote, and there's remote desktop connection. Here's 10.0.0.171, and I may have others in this list, but that happens to be that computer that's across the room from me. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that IP address, and we will say connect. Now it needs to know that I know the credentials of that computer, the remote computer, so that it knows whether or not I should have access to that computer. So let me put that in. My name and then my password. And I'll click OK. This certificate pops up. That's because these remote sessions are signed by a local certificate and not a trusted certificate company. And so it needs to know whether I'm going to accept this as a trusted certificate. So yes, I am going to. And here goes the connection. And there we go. Now this is, by the way, a very, very slow computer. It's just an old laptop, so it takes a little bit of time to get up. But here it is. And I now have full remote control over this computer. I can open things up just as though I were sitting at that computer. All right, let's close that. And now I'm going to open this back up using AnyDesk again. So let me go to my AnyDesk, and I'm going to open that computer back up and get that remote computer connection again through AnyDesk. And I'll log in. It logged itself out between those connections. I'll log it in. Again, this is a very, very slow old laptop. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and just put that over on one side of the screen here so that we can see what's going on. Because now I want to talk about remote assistance. And the nice thing about remote assistance is I can run it across the internet. So I don't have to be on a computer local to me. This could be a computer anywhere in the world as long as I have its IP address. Now, here's the rub. I have to have somebody on the other side to allow it. So this is if I want to assist you, for example, as a little brother. I have the privilege of helping my family sometimes, and they don't all live here in this house. And so I have a sister who needs some help. I can remote assist, or they call it quick assist now. It used to be called remote assistance. I can quick assist to her computer when she needs some help and not have to drive to her house. So here's how it works. I'm going to go to quick assist. And this is on my local computer, quick assist. Like that. And she would also go to Quick Assist on her computer. So this is her computer over here, and she's going to call up Quick Assist over here. This one's going to take some time because it's a slower computer. All right, we both have this up, and we're both on completely different computers. I'm going to assist another person. I'm going to assist this computer over here. So I'll say assist another person. Now it needs me to be on my Microsoft account, not on a local account. So I will put in my Microsoft account credentials. Now that I've done that, here is the security code that I need to tell this person, say, over the phone. So now I'm on the phone with, let's say that this is my sister. I'm on the phone with my sister, and I say, I need you to type in to your Quick Assist this number, MKJ WW8, WW8, and then share screen. Now it says waiting for the person helping you to set up the session. And I have two options. I can just view the screen, or I can take full control. Let's go ahead and take full control. I'll click for it to connect. And over here on her side, she'll have to accept that. Roger Z will be able to see your files, control your computer, please shut down any non-essential applications, and so on. And so she'll click allow. And in a moment, I will have full access to her computer as though I'm sitting in front of it right here. And so you can see now I have this computer here. And again, I can open things up. And when I open that up on this side, it opens it up over on this side. So that's Quick Assist. Very, very handy for helping another person remotely, because now I have control that they have given me in order to be able to help them do whatever needs to be done on their machine.